Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making simple soft paratha. So to start with, I'm going to take 2 cups of 100% whole wheat flour in a large bowl, and then I'll add half a teaspoon salt. Using my hands, I'm gonna mix them well, and then I'll add water little by little. So if you add a lot of water in the beginning, then your dough will become very sticky. So the key is to add water little by little, like I'm doing here. So I'll add a little bit of water and I'll try to bind everything well, and then I'll add more water. Here the temperature of water is room temperature. It's neither cold nor warm or hot. So I'm gonna knead this dough for around 2 to 3 minutes, and when I feel that everything is binded properly, I'm just gonna sprinkle some water and going to keep this aside for 10 to 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, we are going to knead the dough again for 30 seconds to a minute. And you'll start observing that all those breaks or lines have gone now and dough has become smooth. So see, it's so smooth. And I'm gonna take a small ball size dough and going to roll it using a rolling pin. If dough is sticking to your rolling pin or the surface, then you can add more dry flour and then start rolling it again. So my skillet is hot, and I'm just gonna put this rolled paratha for 30 to 45 seconds each side, and then I'm gonna apply some ghee, but you can also use any oil of your choice. And then I'm gonna flip that over so you can see those brown spots. And I'm gonna press paratha from all the sides to make sure that all the sides are cooked well. So first paratha is ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.